Hi, Nikau. Today we have a fun activity. What we're going to do is we're going to make a poi. Now, there's a couple of steps involved in making a poi, so let's get our materials ready. First, you're going to need two pieces of scrap paper. This is a piece of A4 paper cut in half. You're going to need one sheet of bubble wrap, and you're going to need one sheet of this black plastic. And you're going to need three pieces of string, three different colors, and the string has to be roughly about 30 centimeter. Okay, so you're going to grab your string, you're going to measure roughly 30 centimeter, going to cut it. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to make the string. So we're going to actually braid it, right? You're going to take your three pieces of string, right? You're going to put them straight together. You're going to tie a loop on one end. The easiest way to do that is to go around your finger and loop it through. So when you tie it, pull it up a little bit, you're going to have a knot at the top. Okay, all three pieces are tied together. Right, it's very important you've got that. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to get a bit of tape, and you're going to tape the string onto the table. All right, so we're going to do our we're going to braid the three strings to make one long string. Okay, now it's not difficult to braid it, but you do need to take care. First, you're going to put your string on the table, and you're going to tape it down just on top of the knot. Okay, make sure you tape it nice and tight so it doesn't pull out. You gotta be very careful. Okay, right, to braid, you're going to separate the string into three parts. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Right hand, string, thumb, and pointy finger. Left hand, string, thumb, and pointy finger. You're going to grab it. Going to put the middle string onto the middle finger. You're going to go over, right? Over. So now this blue one becomes the middle string. You're going to grab with your left hand, and then the top going to go over, right? Middle finger, this one's going to go over, over, right? Over, grab, 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 over, grab. Just going to hold it there. You're going to notice the bottom here is starting to get tangled. Stop every couple of times. Untangle it. Okay, so untangle it. All right, once it's untangled, then you keep going. Okay, over, grab, over, grab, over, grab, over, grab, over, grab. So right over, left grab, left over, right grab, right over, left grab, left over, right grab, right over. Try to use the middle finger to grab it. Grab. Left over, middle finger, grab. Right over, grab, left over, grab. And if you keep going, you're going to reach the end. Okay? Right. Now, I've gone and done my string. And you're going to notice as you get towards the end, it's going to be really short. Once you get to the end here, what I want you to do is tie the same knot like you did at the beginning. So grab all three together, loop it around your finger, and then go under. Okay, make sure all three pieces are there, and pull the knot tight. Okay, now you should have a string that is braided using 3 pieces, different color. All right, so that's what you want to do. So you might have to take some time, you might have to rewatch the video, this bit, so everyone gets a chance to do this. All right, so this is the hardest part, so you must take your time. If you make a mistake, that's okay, just undo it again and then try again. All right, remember, tape across here so it holds the string tight so that you can do your braiding. Okay, all right, now we're moving on to the ball part of the poi. All right, so you need 2 pieces of paper, the bubble wrap and the black paper. What you're going to do is you're going to scrunch up the white paper, and you're going to make it into a ball, okay, roughly the size of your hand. You get the second one and scrunch it up again, okay, making sure we've got roughly a ball. Okay, doesn't have to be perfect, right, as long as it's about the size of your hand. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your bubble wrap, the smooth side is facing the outside, so the bumpy side is on the inside. You're going to put your ball of paper in there and you're going to wrap it around side to side. Okay, we're going to keep this like this. If you want, you can grab a bit of tape and just wrap the end in. It makes it easier. Your ball is kind of in this, staying in one place. Okay, finally you're gonna get your black piece of paper. This is the plastic. You're gonna put it on like a diamond, like that. Put the ball in the middle. You're gonna take the edges and bring them up, okay, and the other edge, bring them up. Grab the ball with your finger on one hand, and what you're going to do is you're going to twist it 2 or 3 times. Okay, so you get a little ball like that. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to take our string and then we're going to tie this bit. Now you definitely need your friend to help you. Mr. Chin's doing this in the garage right now, so I'm going to use my friend. This is, your friend's going to hold the ball for you nice and tight like this, okay, so it doesn't fall out. All right, so you got to work together as a team. Take one end of the string, bring it, loop it around 2 times. Okay, so 1, 2, right, and then just tie this side. Tie 2 knots, so 1 knot, nice and tight, and do another knot, nice and tight. You can let go, your friend can let go now. And what you're going to do, you take your scissors and just trim that bit off. All right, and there you have a little poi. Okay, it's very important you help your friends to make this. If this knot is not long enough, you can make it, you can untie it again and make it a bit longer. All right, but that's it. That's your little poi all ready to go. All right, so hopefully you guys give this a go and see how you go. All right, and this is for you to take home as well. So you must take care, make this as best as you can so you can take it home. All right, give it a go, guys, and then make sure you help each other. All right.